Hey, what's up guys, this is Vineet and you're watching My Next Best. In this video we'll be doing the unboxing and we'll take a quick look at Amazon Echo 3rd Gen Bluetooth speaker. Here's the box that we got, and we've got about some information, the details, etc. in the beginning itself. And as you can see, you've got 0.8-inch tweeter, 3-inch woofer, Dolby Digital, 3.5mm audio line, Bluetooth, that's I think 4.1. And then there's far field voice control, which is good. Microphone on and off button. And at the bottom you have Amazon Music, Spotify, Audible, TuneIn, You. All of these are the brands that are endorsing this Bluetooth device. So that's the smart speaker. That's the picture on the box. And let's, and then obviously there's this stream music, audiobooks, control smart home devices, designed to protect your privacy and all that text. So without any further ado, let's open the box and see what we've got inside. So that's the box, and in the box you've got another black box. Let's see what we've got there. At the bottom, you've got the charging cable and the charging brick. That's the charging brick and some information, warranty information and all that stuff. There's the speaker. Let me just unpack it. And what you get is the speaker inside with the plus, minus, play, pause and the mute button on the top. And there are a lot of microphone inputs, as you can see. At the bottom you've got all the CE certifications and all the information, MAC address at the bottom of it, and the Amazon logo, as you can see. The buttons at the top are quite tactile. They do their job perfectly. And it's an interesting bit that you see on the top, about 7 microphone inputs, which means you'll never go unheard. So you can just literally call Alexa from wherever you want and it will respond. That's a great design. And then you can also dock it. At the bottom you've got this nut-shaped design which you can use to just dock it at a particular place without having to literally place it somewhere on the table or stuff anywhere. You can just dock it anywhere, so it can just lie hanging, and that's where you can just literally use it. So it consumes less space, so that's another interesting aspect of this particular speaker. I'll be doing another video where I'm just literally test it out, the audio quality and some of the smart features, Alexa skills, and all that stuff. So at the back you obviously get the 3.5mm jack as well, so we are going to test that as well. So that's it from me. That's the Amazon Echo 3rd generation. That's the speaker that you get out of the box. If you have any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to My Next Best. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.